Let us learn about the different kinds of nouns. Nouns. All naming words are called nouns. Kinds of noun: 1. Proper noun. 2. Common noun. 3. Collective noun. 4. Material noun. Proper nouns. Proper nouns are nouns which tell us about a particular person, place, animal, or thing. They are usually the specific names given to something. For example, Ram, Jenny, India, Mumbai, etc. Common nouns. Common nouns are nouns which tell us about any person, place, animal, or thing. They are not the specific names given to something. For example, boy, girl, country, city, table. Material nouns. Nouns which refer to things or substances from which something is made are called material nouns. For example, gold, butter, cheese, glass, soap, cement, cloth. Collective nouns. Nouns that stand for a group or collection of persons, animals, or things called collective nouns. For example, bundle of sticks, a team of players.